Here we have words of two syllables that end in ach, ang, and ah, according to the Spanish and Portuguese pronunciation. So, starting from here, beriach, beriach, geboa, geboa, gebiang, gebiang, deang, deang, tiach, tiach, tuach, tuach, yegiang, yegiang, noach, noach, noang, noang, piach, piach, ruach, ruach, ruang, ruang, reang, 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 yitzuang, yitzuang, koach, 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 leach, leach, luang, luang, moach, moach, roang, shuach, shuach, seach, seach, siach, siach, suach, suach, tekoang, tekoang,